Here we go.
There we go.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good
Who's
morning.
this?
Morning.
Your voices. Doing here.
How are you?
Good. Who's this?
Can I have the attorneys check in one by one?
Good morning, it's Attorney Martin. I'm here for Tony Davis.
We don't have a Tony Davis on the docket.
Um,
One by one.
I'm
Melita
sorry.
Barry for Anna Weavers.
It's Attorney Martin. I'm here for Tony Davis.
Attorney Martin, are you sure you have the right courtroom?
I am. I spoke with Kitty last week and she indicated she was putting it on the docket for a plea. He's incarcerated. I emailed the plea form to her yesterday as she asked me to.
Let me get the case number because it's not on the
I
docket.
spoke with Kitty last week and she indicated she was putting it on the docket for a plea. He's incarcerated. I emailed the plea form to her yesterday as she asked me to.
Let me get the case number because it's not on the docket.
I spoke with Kitty last week. It is 20-058-172.
Why am I getting the echo, Carmen?
20.
It's not on, it's on our end. We happen to do. Okay.
172. I'm sorry, can you repeat?
It's not on, it's on our end. We happen to do.
172. I'm sorry, can you repeat? Madam Clerk, I can't hear what you said. If everybody else could mute, maybe I could hear without the echo.
We're having some problems with Zoom again. Got on, but. Okay, I guess it's cleared up.
Madam Clerk, I can't hear what you said.
can
If
hear the
everybody
echo.
else could mute, maybe I could hear without the echo.
And my audio is turned off, so I don't know why I'm getting that echo.
I can't hear what you said. If
2407.
everybody else could mute, maybe I could hear without the echo.
Also, that's a car. 439. 439. All right. Say something serious, but I'm gonna stick it there.
Attorney Martin, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I pulled the ROA up. It's nothing, Kitty didn't set anything for today, and the jail didn't contact the court saying he have anything for today. Attorney Martin, can you hear me?
Yes.
And Kitty, she's not in today. Okay, I pulled the ROA up. It's nothing, Kitty didn't say anything for today, and the jail didn't contact the court saying he have anything. And Kitty, she's not in today.
Yes. Double echo now. Double now. Judge, now it's it's a delayed echo, about a 10-second delayed echo. Judge, now it's a delayed echo, about a 10-second delayed echo.
Have any other attorneys that's present that I need to check in?
Melita Barrett checking in for Anna Weaver or Anna Fear. She's on video.
Okay, Attorney Barrett, give me your P number.
43238.
Okay, next. Have any other attorneys that's present that I need to check in?
Madam Clerk, I'm the special prosecutor on Willingham,
Let me get your P number.
71143.
43238.
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning,
Morning.
Adam Taub, P48703. I'm here for Samir Hussein. He's on Zoom also. His phone says Galaxy S10. I'm going to be filing a substitution of attorney, but I was unfortunately unable to do that because I cannot go to my office till next week because I'm quarantining. So I'm at home right now.
Okay. Do we have an attorney for Travis Epps?
Oh, yeah.
You got the recorder? Yeah.
Got a number?
I have it.
Okay.
Calling case number 20622.
Wait a minute, hold on.
I'm sorry, Madam Clerk, Madam Reporter. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Case number 2062232, the people of the state of Michigan versus Anna Maria Reaver is here on 2 counts. Count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning. I'm Alita Beard on behalf of Anna Weaver. Miss Weaver is present. Miss Weaver?
Good morning.
State your name, please. Ms. Weaver, state your name, please.
Anna Weaver Fears.
Thank you.
Thank
Judge,
you.
we're asking for a preliminary exam. She'll do it on Zoom if the court is setting them on Zoom.
Sitting on Zoom, but they're not getting any sooner than the other one.
Oh, okay.
Fortunately.
Well, then we... Go ahead. I'm sorry.
All right. How many witnesses?
Judge, I have 2 witnesses. I may be able to get away with 1.
All right, July 30th at 9 o'clock.
All right. That's on Zoom, Judge.
Well, that's right now scheduled for in-person.
Okay.
What day was that?
Thank you.
In-person.
You all have a happy holiday.
Thank you. You too.
What
In-person
day was that?
exam,
I'm
then,
sorry, I
Judge?
didn't hear that. What day was that?
July 30th.
Hold on. Mr. Moody, what did you say?
Judge, this is an in-person for July 30th. What time was that?
9 o'clock?
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. No call.
Thank you.
Calling case number 20-62500, the people of the state of Michigan versus Samir Mohammed Hussein. Is here on 1 count, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder, or by strangulation. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Taub on behalf of Samir Hussein. My client is appearing on your screen virtually this morning.
All right. Mr. Hussein, please state your name for the record.
You have to unmute yourself now, Samir. You just, yeah, there you go.
Samir Muhammad Hussein.
Thank you, sir. All right, counsel.
Your Honor, I believe that this matter, I just got retained. This matter is scheduled. I'm sorry. So this matter is scheduled for an exam, at least what I received a week from today. I need some discovery, and I was hoping to speak with the prosecutor. My client would rate, excuse me, Your Honor, waive any time limitations so that my office can get prepared and make a decision with him as to whether to hold the exam. But as I said, as I mentioned earlier, Your Honor, my office is closed until at least Wednesday, at least for me to physically go in. And so I would ask that perhaps the court could adjourn this conference.
I don't adjourn on counsel. I'm going to set it for an exam. It's not going to be the date that was originally given. It's going to be in July at this point.
Okay.
So that'll give you more than enough time to get the discovery. You're going to have to file your appearance.
Certainly.
And if you decide that you're going to waive the exam, just contact the court and we'll move it up and do it on Zoom. All right?
That's fine, Your Honor. And in July, we're the court's setting it for an in-person exam.
We'll set it for an in-person exam in July. Mr. Mooney, how many witnesses?
This judge, I have 1 witness.
All right. We're going to set this for July 30th at 9:30.
And I would, Your Honor, I do have, I have consent that I received from the Council of Record at about midnight last night to file a substitution of attorney. As I noted before, I will be mailing that into the court. I cannot guarantee the court's going to get that before notice goes out in the mail, but I would ask your court to note that I'll make note of the date and the time. The court said 9 a.m. on July 30th.
No, 9:30.
9:30, and I'll check the Register of Actions and contact Mr. Moody about any discovery.
All right. I'm noting it in the file anyway that you're now retained counsel.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, counsel. Your P number is 48703?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay,
Yep.
good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have a case number? Hutchinson. I'll send it over to you. You got it. You too. Okay, calling case 1961626, the people of state of Michigan versus Chalisa Willington is here on a motion hearing.
The defense counsel is not present, I don't believe.
Other counsel have to check.
Carmen, can you spell that name for me?
Pardon me?
Spell the name of this case you just called? It didn't make it to the docket.
First name, Charesa. Last name, Willinggham. Docket number
Okay.
190-616-2601. And it's for a motion hearing.
Okay, and that was spelled Chares?
IA.
Oh, okay, got it. Thank you.
You are.
Your Honor, I will try to call Mr. Humphreys and see where he is.
All right, thank you.
Judge, are you doing Judge King's docket also? Are you?
Not
You're
that I'm
not.
aware of.
Oh, okay, I just okay. Thank you.
Man, I didn't even recognize you.
I got my COVID fluff on me. Pandemic fluff look fat on the screen.
Yes.
I don't know about that, but
How you doing, Judge?
I'm hanging in there, at least trying.
Yeah,
Can you connect the Zoom?
they say.
That's all we can do now.
Mhm.
Okay, Mitchell is about to connect with us.
Okay.
morning, Judge Giles Court. Oh, no problem. Morning, Judge Giles. Yes, hold on. Okay, that's IT.
Well,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning, how you doing? I think we were able to fix it. I just, we were, for some reason, having a feedback, like maybe 30 seconds later. Actually, it was double feedback.
Okay,
We did 30
Okay.
seconds later than another.
all
10
right,
seconds
we,
later after that.
the judge, he's on
No,
the Zoom.
I
I'll let
always
him know
have
what
my
you guys
audio
need.
off, so you shouldn't get
Okay,
it.
sound.
I turned
You're
the,
welcome.
sound on, we got, and that seems to stop it.
Good morning.
Okay, oh, yeah.
Hey.
Okay, all right, thank you very much. All right, take care. Okay. We got Mr. Humphrey. And it's-
Okay, calling case number 190616626, the people of state of Michigan versus Charissa Willington is here on a motion hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Abigail McIntyre appearing on behalf of the people, P71143.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Humphreys, P38930, on behalf of the defendant, Mrs. Willingham.
all right. Okay, whose motion is it?
Your Honor, this is the defense's motion to just adjourn the currently set in-person exam from January the 27th to February 4th, 3rd, 4th, or 5th, whichever day the court can accommodate. The reason being is that I have other days scheduled. I have other matters scheduled in your courtroom on the 4th, and I have a matter scheduled on the 5th. And I'm trying to consolidate everything so that I can limit my actual physically being out in the public. And so that's why I'm asking at this point. So give everybody plenty of time in order to make adjustments.
Humphrey, that's gonna hold a serious, right now it's scheduled for what time?
Scheduled for the 27th at 11:30. Am I right, Ms. McIntyre?
Let me double check. I have 1:30 because it's a child witness.
Correct. 1:30. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so it's the 27th at 1:30, that's with 3 witnesses. And you want me to move it to when?
Either of the 3 days, the 3rd, 4th, or the 5th of February.
I can't, there's no way, I'm booked up.
And Your Honor, we had submitted a protective order to the court, which we're awaiting signature for. So there's a release of a Kids Talk video that still is pending.
Hold on a second, let me find that.
It was just emailed last week, so I don't know if it's made it to the court yet. It was emailed, I believe, to your clerk, Kitty.
And do we have a order of protection regarding discovery of digital evidence?
We do, Your Honor. That was submitted at the same time. And I can resubmit those
And
if
then
needed.
you're talking about the order of release of tape, witnesses recorded interview.
There's two. There's that one, and there is a protective order for digital discovery as well. Both were stipulated orders that were presented to the court via email last week.
All right, we're gonna sign both of them. All right, Mr. Humphreys, I'm sorry, but I can't accommodate that, if I were to move it, I'm looking at August. I don't want to put it off that far.
All right, well, court can't move it, and we just have to deal with it. Okay.
Okay, I couldn't hear anything you said.
I'm sorry, I was saying if the court cannot move it, then we have to deal with that date, the January the 27th.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right. And we'll email those orders back to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Yes, see you too. I think Wayne County is calling too.
And Your Honor,
They have ELPS in your two violations.
Oh, you violating on both?
Well, we have ELPS, they have ELPS, and the Wayne County have your two violators.
Oh, okay.
So it's. We call it case number 2056529, the people of the state of Michigan versus Travis Epps. It's here on two counts. Count one, home invasion, first degree. Count two, malicious destruction of building, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Habitual offender, second offense notice. We also have case number 200-56545, the people of the state of Michigan versus Travis Epps. It's here on one count, home invasion, second degree, habitual offender, second offense notice. Both matters are scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
good morning, may it please this most honorable court, Rena Mitchell appearing on behalf of Mr. Travis Epps. Your Honor, I'm not sure if it's scheduled for a PCC today, but Kitty wanted me to just check with you to see if we can schedule a live preliminary examination date sooner than the date that we have scheduled. She said that you may have had some dates and you were not here, and she just put us on the docket just to see, and she told me she wasn't going to be here, but just to check with you because sometimes you have other dates for us to be able to push his live preliminary examination up. So I'm just trying to see if we can get a date that's sooner than what we already have scheduled.
Judge, I think today it's set for a PCC.
The examination date is July 23rd.
This was on the doc. We was on the docket last week, Your Honor. So she
Hold on. That's just how they put it on the docket. Right now it's set for exam on July 23rd, one at 11:30, one at 11:45.
So Kitty just wanted you to see if it was anything you can do, Your Honor. So that's what I'm trying to see.
All right, hold on.
Council, what's your P number?
68989.
68989.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. You need discovery? Or do you have some
No,
stuff?
you can just resend it, but I believe I have it, but you can just resend it.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Moody, what is your P number?
44476.
You need to register.
No, on this one, no.
Okay.
Yes, trying to go through this. Is he in custody?
Yes, Your Honor. And he has some capious history, so I don't believe you're gonna give him a bond. And so Kitty just thought you may have something for her. So
Well, the only problem is that if some things open up, they didn't take them off of my list, so I don't know.
okay.
I'm gonna have to wait till Kitty comes back, which means probably January.
Okay, I'm sure I'll be on here with you guys on another case. So
Okay, yeah, just check back with me beginning of January. That way I have an opportunity to talk to Kitty to see, so nothing's crossed out, except things have already taken out and built back up.
okay, I'm sure we can figure it out along, hopefully before July.
So at this juncture, we're going to be at July 23, 2020
2021.
or 2021. Sorry.
Yeah, July 23rd. First case is and that's a case ending in 545, that's at 11:30. And then the case ending in 529 is at 11:45.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you. Have a happy new year.
All right, same to all of you.
Thanks.
That's everything.
Miss Banks, Judge, is that a wrap?
No, it looks like we got a couple of tether violators. And we've been able to get the attorneys on. I mean, in contact.
Yes, good morning, County Commissioners. And this is the official courtroom, Judge Giles. We have a Merle on the phone. Right, we'll tell the phone. You might want to get this on there. You okay. Alicia Coleman, she about to click off. She gonna be crazy. Alicia Coleman.
She says she's gonna be looking a little crazy.
Yeah. I told her she better brush that hair in the ponytail. Yes, I'm trying to reach Attorney Perry, Gerald Perry. Hey, good morning to you. This is Ms. Hanks. I'm calling on behalf of Judge Giles here at the Judicial Court. We have a Quentin Dover here for a title violation. Right, you was the last one. As the attorney, he don't know if it's open. We do understand. Yeah, 360-439-0000. Quentin Dover, Dorrouge. Yeah. I sure will. You're welcome. Okay. Come on.
Carmen,
Yes,
what is the Wayne County Jail's defendant's name?
This is a Travis Epps at the moment.
Oh, we already did Travis Epps, right?
Travis
Yeah,
Epps is done.
we did that already.
We did.
and he still have the same date.
Yeah, right now it's the same date. Okay, we'll have your two tether violators in front of the camera shortly. All right, thank you.
Carmen, what are the violators' names?
Marlon, Marlon, Howard, Howard,
Huh?
and we have a Quentin, Quintin, Dorrouge, Dorroughh.
The case numbers for Marlon Howard?
200-623-5701.
Repeat that again.
200-592-4501.
And Mr. Quentin DeRose number?
It's 200-626-9801.
Thank you.
Ms. Banks, could you read that, Mr. Quentin DeRose off again? I missed that. 2006.
Hold on one second. 200-626-9801.
Thank you. And then Howard was 2006-2357.
Yes.
Thank you.
Gary has a case with
Mr. Booth?
Gary? Oh, he's not on? Okay. Who is Mr. Napier? Mr. Napier?
Can I hear?
I'm asking. Oh, it says Aaron Napier.
Eric. Mr. Napier?
He's still in the background.
Yes, that's Ms. Banks from the 36th District Court, from Giles Courtroom. We have your video of it. We waiting on the two Taylor violations, Marlon Howard and, yeah. Okay. Yes, we did. Okay, thank you. Yes, they did the video.
Yeah, no officer, he said he had to go get it.
Yeah.
Wayne County Jail checking in. We have a Marlon Howard before the screen.
Okay, thank you.
We have case number 200-623-5701. The people of the state of Michigan versus Marlon Howard is here on a violation of tether.
Good morning, Your Honor. Delisha Coleman Morrison, P56278, on behalf of Marlon Howard, and waive a formal reading of the charges. I believe
Blair
there's
Moody.
32.
Blair Moody for the people, Judge.
All right, thank you.
This tether violation, I feel, is just a violation of Mr. Howard's constitutional rights, in that he's being charged with 32 counts because there were reports of things stolen, and without him being identified by a person, green light video, or anything, because his tether had him in the area of some of these instances, that the Wayne County prosecutor subsequently charged him with every single one. Mind you, there has been no recovery of any of these items. There's been no association with his tether to a location where these items were found, anything, anywhere. But because he was occasionally in the area, and even subsequently while he's in jail, these type of activities have still, these type of thefts have still been continued in the Detroit area. Wayne County has decided to charge him with these, and we would object and ask for a reasonable bond. He has been on tether. He has had no violations, as in the report, besides him being picked up and charged without any other evidence except for his tether had him occasionally. Because in reading the report, some of
Ms. Coleman, the violation is he got new cases. That's all. I don't go into, and I can't go into the facts of the new case, but I don't know anything about it. And that's not the issue. The issue is he got picked up new cases. That's the violation itself.
Well, we would state, we believe that the charging of Mr. Howard for a tether violation for these new cases are a violation of his constitutional rights.
Well, Judge, I would indicate that if that's part of the bond with this gentleman and subsequently a violation of the tether because of that, then it's simply just that. He's been charged with new cases. He's violated. And as to the obviously, we would leave the wisdom of the court to make that final decision.
We would ask for a reasonable bond, Your Honor. Besides, again, just the abuse of prosecutorial power in charging him. Mr. Howard had filed a complaint against Detroit police in harassing him. And we believe that these subsequent charges are a retaliation. He has not any history of not appearing. He has retained counsel. At all times, the tether unit could and did reach out to Mr. Howard, but at no time did they find anything wrong until Detroit police, and I'm still at a loss at this type of whatever investigation, decided, the prosecutor decided to charge him. We're asking for a reasonable bond, $50,000, 10%.
I would have to make one remark. I would object to the abuse of prosecutorial power. If he's violating his tether, he's violating his tether. It's not the prosecution's decision to determine whether or not he's violated. The records indicate that. Apparently he has. We would leave that again at court's discretion.
Okay, no, we're not going back. Stop. We're not going back and forth. We're not going back and forth. I don't do that. I'm sorry. Okay, the issue is whether or not he violated the tether. Condition of his tether is no contact with the police, don't pick up no new cases. That's a condition of his tether. He has violated that tether. Now, whether or not that violation comes to fruition, we'll decide that down the road when it comes up for preliminary exam.
We were asking, he has posted a significant cash bond. We are asking for the court to consider 50,000 cash surety.
Is he working?
Yes, sir, he was.
Where is he working?
Mr. Howard, could you tell the court where you're working or where you were working before this?
Andiamo restaurant.
Oh, so he's not working now. When's the last time?
Right before he was picked up, Your Honor. They have delivery and people coming to pick up. And yeah, it's hard enough on his family, but yes.
What's his bond on the new case?
I believe it was 50,000 personal.
And the bond on his, well, I don't think he has.
I was at the arraignment, Your Honor. He has a bond on the new case.
Okay, hold on. I have it here. The new case is 7,500 personal. Okay, the bond was changed. This one was originally, let's see, 12/16. It was changed to 100,000 cash surety.
That was in a tether violation by Judge Jones, because Your Honor was not available. And we didn't want to wait till the new year for the bond to be heard. But this is your case, and we're asking for consideration, Your Honor. Mr. Howard,
Ms. Coleman, okay, I understand this is my case, but Judge Jones sat in my place and made a decision, and without some evidence that you could show me that she abused her discretion, I wouldn't change her mind.
well, we're saying, Your Honor, just in this court statement that the underlying charges and we know that anybody can be charged for anything, preponderance of the evidence, but where there is a history of retaliation
You're saying that, but I don't, you can't testify to that. And it's like you're testifying to it. There's nothing on this record, and I don't have any, and I don't know why Judge Jones increased the bond.
Because he was charged. That's what she said. Because he got charges, I'm going to increase the bond because he was charged. And it just is just fundamentally.
Well, that was the discretion of Judge Jones at the time. She heard the arguments, she made the decision. And we have not heard any proofs on this record with regards to any retaliation, nor have we heard any of the base hearing on these cases at all with regards to preliminary examination. Incidentally, I got to say, I'm sitting in for special prosecutors in the auto theft unit, Judge.
All right.
And that's just it, Your Honor. We
Okay,
haven't
okay,
heard
no,
anything.
no, no, Ms. Coleman, I've heard, I got it, I understand it. I've heard enough. At this point, I'm not changing Judge Jones' bond. She sat in my place. She heard whatever was presented at the time, and she made a decision in accord with that. So, that bond's gonna remain the same. As to the tether,
That's the bond. That's the tether bond, Your Honor, the $100,000.
oh, okay, well, then she changed on the new one and not the old one.
No, she changed on the old one. She can't change on the new one. She changed it on the old one.
Well, the $100,000 bond is on the new case. That's on the 30 count case. I mean, yeah, that's on the 30 count case. That's the new case. The bond on the old case, which was the one with the tether right now.
That
Still, hold on. That was 2010%.
No, it was 20,000, 10%. The family posted $2,000 cash. The original case, the family posted cash, $2,000.
Okay, yeah, I see it. 20,000, 10%, and I see the 2,000 posted.
Would the family be able to get that bond back? Because they can't post $100,000.
They can get it back. Whoever the bond's name is in, whoever posted it, can ask for it back because he's in the Wayne County Jail.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I think they take the 30 back, but that's it. Other than that, the court is not changing the bonds at this point. All right, thank you.
Have a good and safe holiday. Take care, Carmen.
Yeah, you
All right,
do the
you too
same.
now.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes, who is that?
Marlon Howard at Wayne County.
All right, and Mr. Howard, your attorney just got off.
Okay. I just want to ask you one question.
I don't know if I can answer it, but you can ask.
So you said that I got it. My new bond is 100,000, right?
Yeah, that's the bond that Judge Jones set.
Okay. Yeah, I was just wondering, did I have a new violation? This is the same thing that's ongoing, right?
Right, it's all the same thing. It came in as a bond hearing, as a tether violation, but it's not really. It's really a motion for reconsideration for Judge Jones' decision.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was just wondering. I was just making sure I didn't have any more violations. So.
Oh, no. Yeah, there's no other violation.
I'm not remanded or nothing?
No.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, so we still got one more, right?
We have case number 200.
We gotta wait for the.
Oh.
No, that's Mr. Howard.
Yeah, that's a different.
Oh, that's a different. Okay.
Wait, case number 200-6269801, the people of the state of Michigan versus.
Yeah, that was the same.
Oh, he just took off.
We should be bringing them back on.
Stepping away for one moment, Judge, just 1 second, please.
Ready? Ready? All right.
I didn't talk to Terry first.
We have case number 200-626-9801. The people of the state of Michigan versus Quentin Darrow is here on a tether violation.
Good morning, Judge. Gerald Ferry, P44630 on behalf of Quentin Darrow. Sir, Mr. Darrow, could you state your name for the record?
My name is Quentin Brian Darrow.
Your Honor, we consent to this matter being conducted via Zoom. Your Honor, if I may, I just was made aware of this tether violation, but as I was actually listening to the last matter, I received a text for an assignment. And I believe it appears that Mr. Darrow picked up a new case, and that's probably the nature of the violation.
Yes, sir.
And I believe that that is scheduled for a PCC before Your Honor on January 28th. I do not know the nature or anything regarding that new case. However, in light of that, I don't know what the bond is on that, Your Honor. I would leave it at the court's discretion as to the tether violation.
Well, the violation is that based on a traffic stop, that he was charged with carrying a concealed weapon. And that's his new charge.
Okay, Your Honor. Does the court know the bond on that CCW? Or is there a bond yet?
There's a bond. Yeah, there should be. Hold on.
And if I may, Madam Reporter, this is Blair Moody for the People. Good morning. Judge, that new CCW case, looking at the ROA, I don't see any bond amount on there.
I don't either. I'm not even showing that he was arraigned on it.
Yeah, I think you're correct, Judge.
So
Judge for Raymond. Yeah, he wasn't arraigned.
Hasn't been arraigned on that one yet. So the issue is the violation on this first case. And currently that one was.
Please let me talk, please. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Excuse me, sir.
Hold on, please. Oh, it's 15,000, 10% with a tether.
That's that's the new bond, Judge?
No, that's the old bond. That's what his bond was. That's the one that we're dealing with today. That he violated that bond. He violated his tether by picking up a new case. Put your hand down, sir. Do you wish to, you want me to put you in a breakout room so you can talk to your client for a minute?
Sure, yeah, that'd be great, Judge. Thank you.
All right, hold on.
Hey, Judge, has there been any word as far as opening back up on the 4th?
Yes. The last order that I got said that we were still not doing in-person exams except for in-custody exams.
Okay.
Those are
So-
the only in-person exams we're doing.
Okay, so there will be in-person exams for in custody starting on the 4th.
Correct.
Okay. That was the latest one you got, right?
Right. And I don't understand it, but hey,
Yeah, I mean, how do we know?
if everybody comes in here and argues that Wayne County Jail is the worst place to be because of COVID, why are we doing in-custody exams with them instead of, you know,
Those
and
people
not
who are,
everybody else?
yeah,
Yeah.
that totally makes better logic.
I guess that's above my pay grade, so you know, I just do as I'm told.
Yeah. Well, we'll keep watching the website to see if any of that changes.
Yeah.
How was your holiday? Good?
It was good. It was good. A little stressful,
Yeah.
but I took off. You know, I'm renovating my house. You know, so I'm in the process of. I got 3 bathrooms torn, two bathrooms torn apart, and my kitchen torn apart.
Oh.
So they delivered all my cabinets for my kitchen. Well, most of my cabinets for my kitchen. Like a total of 28 cabinets. And then but they missed one, and the one cabinet they missed is the one I have to start with. I can't put the rest of them in without that. So I'm still waiting.
So
All right,
what
Mr.
did you
Perry.
do? Are the cabinets in the garage then or something, or?
Oh, they're all over my house.
Oh, no.
Mr. Perry?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Yes, Your Honor, I had a chance to speak to my client, and as far as my client's information, he believes he was arraigned while he was at the Mount Correctional via Zoom, either in front of a 36th District Court magistrate or a judge who set the bond at $3,000 personal. I'm not sure if that really is going to mean anything. It is a new case that he picked up. It is a violation of his tether. However, I mean, all I could ask the court to do is reinstate the bond on the original if the court's inclined to do so. If not, I'll leave it at the court's discretion.
All right.
And Judge, we leave that up to the court's wisdom also, albeit, you know, he did pick up this new case, the CCW case. If the court would take some of that in consideration.
Yeah, well, we have to do the hearing. So is he pleading guilty to the violation?
He's pleading guilty to the fact that, yes, he had contact with the law and he was arrested on this new case.
They picked up a new case.
Yes.
All right, so stand, put your hands, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, self to God.
Yes, sir.
All right, say your name, please.
My name is Quentin Brian Duro.
Mr. Duro, you were previously placed on tether, correct? And that was?
Yes, sir.
April 27th of 2020, correct?
Yes, I was falsely accused.
I didn't ask you that. I just need you to answer my questions.
Yes, sir.
You were placed on tether on April 27th, 2020, correct?
Yes, sir.
You were explained, agreed to, given the rules and regulations regarding the Wayne County Sheriff Tether Program, correct?
Yes, sir.
On December 24th, you were, or at or around that time, you had been arrested, you had contact with the police, and you have now been previously charged with another offense, and that being carrying a concealed weapon, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm not asking if you're guilty or you're innocent, just that you have been charged and you have contact, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Satisfied?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor. And just for the record, I would
Yes.
stipulate that he has been arraigned in this matter, and he does have a probable cause hearing scheduled before Your Honor on the 28th of January on the new case.
All right. All right, the court will find that he has violated his conditions of tether. Mr. Doral, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I have two jobs. I work for a maritime manufacturer. I'm a melter. We make titanium. And I also work for a company called People Ready. That's day-to-day labor. But I'm in a local 155. That's where I work at a maritime, it's a union.
What hours do you work?
I work there. I work 8 hours, and at People Ready, I could take a job there either 24 hours a day. I do that for side money.
Okay, so your regular job, you work from what time to what time?
6 to 2, sir.
How do you get to work?
I live literally 4 blocks away, so I either get dropped off by my fiance, or sometimes I walk. I'm tethered to 18840 Conley. My job is literally 7 Mile and Mount Elliott, right down the street.
All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reinstate the bond. I'm gonna reinstate the tether. However, you're gonna be in a house arrest. The only time you're gonna have out is from 5:30 to 2:30. 5:30 in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon. All the other time, you're gonna be home, period. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. May I say something else?
I don't think you want to. It's about the
Okay,
business.
I won't.
If you say something else, it may go bad for you. But that's between you and your attorney.
I will be quiet, sir.
All right. All right. That's the court's decision.
Your Honor, if I may?
Yes, sir.
Mr. DeRoe, on the old case, I noticed he has a live preliminary examination scheduled January the 11th at 3 o'clock before Your Honor.
Correct.
I was just curious if, in light of the quarantine, is that still going to happen, or should we adjourn that?
Well, right now, it's still gonna happen.
Okay.
We hear, until we know something else,
Okay.
I expect a new order to come out beginning of January as to what we can and cannot do, depending on what the governor does with her order.
I understand. Okay, I just wanted to bring it to the court's attention, and I'll just plan being present on the 11th unless I hear something different, okay?
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
I'll talk to you, Mr. DeRoe. Give me a call when you get out.
Thank you, sir. Can I get your number?
It's Gerald Ferry. Do you have a pen? I'm sorry, Your
Yes,
Honor.
my sheriff is writing it down now.
586-215-5317, okay?
Okay, and remember the last time I spoke with you?
I have your number too.
Okay.
Okay, I have it written down. Thank you, Judge, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Okay, Your Honor, that concludes everything we have for your docket from Jail Division 1.
All right, thank you. You take care and be safe.
You and your staff do the same.
Thank you.
So Judge, just so I'm clear, that we've got starting on the 4th, there's only in custody exams. The not in custody exams will not be held in person.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. Because Mr. Andrew was asking, because he's gonna send subpoenas out, so I guess he'll have to make that decision himself.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, for the not in custody folks, I'm gonna take the position that we wouldn't do the same thing we're doing now, we're just putting them over, give them a new date.
Not in custody, yeah, because, you've indicated, which is true, that the Zoom ones would take just as long
Right,
to do, so you're not setting them in Zoom anyway.
right. Well, most of them, there's only a few people that have actually asked for Zoom exam.
Right.
The ones that for Zoom exam, I mean, like I said, we're still in the same position. I can't give, if I give them an earlier date and they open things up, now I've clogged up my docket.
Right.
So, yeah.
So those that are set for Zoom will still go, but those that are in custody will be going, I'm sorry, the in-person ones will be going as the dates that you've set.
Right.
Okay,
Exactly.
because you're in custody, you already brought them in earlier anyway.
Right.
Okay. Very good, thank you.
All right.
I guess you're ahead of the 8 ball at that time, huh?
You said I'm ahead?
You're ahead of the 8 ball.
Yeah, well, I was until they cut us back off. And I was falling back behind again. At this point, it's like, okay, whatever.
I know. I know it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna let, like Miss Van Mark know that, starting the 4th, there'll be only, in custody exams held in person.
Right.
Okay.
So Judge, do we have one more, Mr. Napier?
Nope.
Oh, he's been trying to get on all morning.
I know, I've tried to talk to him, but he hasn't responded. I have no idea why he's on.
Okay.
Did you want me to hang for a minute, Judge?
No, but I'm about to close everything out.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. All right. All right, Judge.
All right, Judge.
Have a good day. See you later. Stay
Thank
safe.
you.
See you next year.
Is there a docket tomorrow, Judge?
Yep. Yeah, we have one tomorrow, and then that's it until the beginning of the year.
So there is a docket tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, I went on the court website. I didn't see anything on it. I'll have to double check that. Okay.
I don't have anything scheduled? Oh, I guess we don't have anything scheduled. Until the 4th, so.
Yeah, that's what I was reading. Nothing scheduled to the 4th. Okay. I'll leave you guys at that, all right?
All right, thank you.
Okay, have a happy new year. Good holiday.
You too. Take care.
Okay, you too, Judge. Thanks. Why this thing won't turn on?
It does, you just close it, I think. Are you okay? Yeah, I think you got it.
No, it's still going.
Okay, that's where we get Skip. He knows. Hey, Skip, will you turn off Gary's Zoom form, make sure it's off? We're not experts on this.
Let's see, stop
Come here for a
video.
second.
Wait a minute,
Skip will know how to
Here, I
do
got
it.
it.
He might have it though, hang on.
Is this?
He doesn't know like me how to turn that off sometimes.
Can you turn that off? It won't go. Here, let me try this.